Are you feeling stuck? Are you feeling lost? Not sure what to do next? Then stick with me. Let's find out what we can do. So welcome, it's Charlotte Thornton, the career mentor for actors, with another Mindset Mini. Sorry it's been a while, and you'll see I'm in a new office. So it's very exciting. Just thought I'd explain the different backdrop. But back to the challenge at hand. Feeling stuck, feeling lost, not sure what to do next. It's really important, if we're going to take empowered action, that we've got a very clear focus, a vision of where we're headed, and also an understanding of where we are now. And that is how we build the roadmap from where we are now to where it is we want to go. If we don't know where it is we want to go, we can't build a map. If we don't know where we are right now, we can't build a map. And so sometimes, instead of creating this time where we plan where it is we're headed, where it is we are now, and then planning that route, whilst knowing obviously that luck and circumstance can change that route, but nonetheless we plan a route. But sometimes, instead of taking the time to do that, opportunities maybe are coming our way, or challenges are coming our way, and so we're either firefighting or going with the flow, and we're not actually following any kind of sense of pattern. And both of those can result at some point with us feeling lost or stuck or unsure about what our focus is next. Obviously, I do mentoring. If you want to come and work one-to-one, that's exactly the sort of roadmap I can help you build. But also, you can start to think about it right here, right now, in the micro. So think what it is that you really love to do. And we've sometimes really made that realistic, in inverted commas, as we've gone through our career. We've adjusted it. But get back in touch with what gets you excited. What shows do you watch on screen or stage that make you go, I wish I was in this. I wish this casting director knew that I existed. That's your juice. That's your excitement. That's your vision. And then we need to know where we are now, a real brutal assessment of where we are now. How is each area of our career, the agent piece, our networking, relationships, marketing piece, the craft piece, all the belief, all these things are part of our acting career. And then on top of that, there's life. Your finances impact your acting career, how much money you have to invest, or your feelings of lack or abundance or scarcity. Your health obviously impacts your career. Your relationships, you think you're going to do one thing and then you have a big row with someone, or there's an energy being drained off somewhere else. All these different aspects of your life can come into play in terms of whether you are going to be at your best and really going for what it is you want with your acting career. Now, what I love about September, a bit like New Year, is it's a real sense of fresh start. There's that new term feel, there's that blank A4 pad, and that feeling that we could sort of start again. But really, you can take that point at any time. Take it now in September, take it again in the new year. At least twice a year, I would do an assessment. Where am I? Just to regroup. Where am I? What's working? What's not working? Where it is I want to go? What might be the steps in between there from now to here? So I hope that's given you a little bit of a steer, or an invitation really to take some time, take a couple of hours out of all the stuff that you're doing and just check, because we can lose track of what's actually taking us towards our goal and what's just busy work or firefighting or just did it because it was offered to me work. And then we've lost a sense of empowerment and kind of control and focus. So the invitation is to sit down, take a couple of hours and have a little plan. If you want to be guided through that, I do have a webinar called Get Turbocharged, or Turbocharge Your Acting Career. I'll leave a link in the description below. If you want to sort of have your hand held through some very specific exercises like the Wheel of Life, but one designated specifically for acting. And then also, how do we deal with some of the blocks, the procrastination, the lack of belief. So if you want to work through that in a webinar format, you can. That's a more economical version than working one-to-one with me. So hopefully that helps you out in slightly more difficult times. But equally, you can do this on your own. Look up the Wheel of Life and look at all areas of your acting career and see where you're spending the time, where you're getting the results, what do you need to change. One little thing, what one little thing could take you that step closer. All right, I hope that's helped. Like I say, description notes are below, links how you can work with me, the webinars, all that kind of stuff. Be really appreciative if you could like and subscribe, because the algorithms are impacted by that kind of behavior, and it just means I can reach more actors. So that'd be much appreciated. Have a great week, and I'll see you at the next Mindset Mini.